The country is going through a big crisis. On one side we have coronavirus, on the other side the economic issues that has hit the country very badly. At these times we all should rise to the occasion and give our shoulders to make our country self-reliant. We all have to wake up and support our local manufacturers, local traders and local farmers so that we have enough for everybody. This is the time that we focus on the slogan, buy local and think global. It is very necessary that we create employment in each village. Do not wait for someone to come and create employment for us. We all have to stand up and think in an entrepreneur spirit. See how we can make every village self-reliant, every taluka, district and every state economically prosperous. And also, I would like our youth to participate in innovative projects. Start small scale industries, MSMEs, microfinancing is available for you. Don't be afraid, don't be scared. Take that bold step and start in small levels, and we are there to help you out. And the government is doing all its best to help you all out. Next, let us protect our environment. It's very important. Let's plant more trees. Let's rejuvenate our rivers. If we all get together and rejuvenate the water bodies, we can do a lot. We in the Art of Living, in association with many NGOs in Maharashtra and Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, have rejuvenated 43 rivers and thousands of water bodies. I think when every village, if we all take care of our water bodies, protect our ponds, make sure the path of streams, small little streams are kept clean and neat, we will have pure water. Also, do not use all these soaps, chemically manufactured, imported soaps and shampoos. Those soaps and shampoos have so much chemical that it spoils our land. So let us use natural product. And protect our animals, protect our nature. We must all take a vow to plant more trees. See, with this COVID lockdown, nature already became much better. It's humans who spoil the nature. So let us take this vow to plant more trees and protect our water bodies and do no air pollution. Use of plastic, we must be really judicious about it. Let us take all these initiatives. No doubt this is a crisis, but this crisis has thrown a big opportunity in front of us. We must use this opportunity and uplift our society. See, our society is based on values. Our society is based on togetherness. It's based on becoming prosperous together. Vayam syama patayo rayina. This is what the Veda says. Let us all become prosperous. It's not just talking, let me become prosperous. It's not the concept of this land. It's not the concept of a civilized society. It's not based only on individual becoming prosperous. He says, Vayam syama patayo rayina. Let us all become prosperous, and to create prosperity, we have to buy Swadeshi goods. We have to support the Swadeshi movement. I congratulate the Swadeshi Jagran Manch for taking up this initiative, and I appeal to all of you to move in this direction. This is the reason I also, initiated our youths to start making products, all different home delivery products. We should use our own soaps, our own cleaners, our own toothpaste. I asked our youths to start and help the farmers. So they all got together and formed a company Sri Sri Tattva, wherein villagers are encouraged to grow food and every farmer will get his fair price. So no farmer should commit suicide in our sacred land, because this is the land of Rishi and Krishi. If a Krishik or a farmer is unhappy, it's going to affect all of us. So let us all support our own products which are manufactured locally,